There's a tornado outside. Oh my god.
It's only a small one, but it's
look at it.
It's a tornado nonetheless.
It's gonna blow them people into space.
That's crazy.
Is it gonna suck something up?
No, it's very weak. There it is.
Look at this tornado. Wow. That's insane. Going towards the tornado.
Hi, I'm Phil Paxman. This is the most awe-inspiring weather conditions we've ever seen.
The most intense tornado
It's an
ever.
F5.
Uneventful state of apathy releases me. I value them, but I won't cry every time one's wiped out. I'll try hard not to give in. Batten down to further wind. Read my head at this pretend.
I was the only survivor of the tornado encounter. I'm gonna have to say it again now. You're meant to be dead.
I'm in the background.
You're not. I'm the light's on me, you're in the dark. My family and all my friends are dead. My house has been destroyed. I'm going to have to... Ow! Shut my foot in the car door. Again. I'm going to have to sell my body to strangers on the street in order to make a living. And maybe eat the occasional pigeon. This is my final broadcast. Goodbye everyone. It's been fun. It's 1974. Did they have black and white in 1974? It's 1948. And the first bomb has...
TV then.
It's 1963. And the first bomb has hit New York. Are you scared, sir?
Of course I'm scared, there's bombs going on.
Drive! Sebastian! Drive! This is our only chance of survival. Sebastian has to drive faster than the sunlight. We've been sucked into a comic. Ian's got crisps in his mouth. We don't know how to get out of this world of books and text. Look, when I speak, words come out. We're not sure what to do. Ow! 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 So what we're going to do is turn the page. What's on this page? Some kind of street. A comic street. Because we're in a cartoon, the actual laws of physics don't apply.
Watch this.
That's an HD, boys.
A man on a motorbike! Chase him! Chase him. Oh, somebody's being arrested. Sir, get back in the vehicle.
Sir, are you cruising down this road trying to pick up some prostitute?
Yeah, look at Steven Spielberg. Sebastian.
Why, where's Steven Spielberg?
He's there. He's on that cloud.
With a dragon.
Steven! Get down! Get down! These two criminals cannot be shown for legal reasons. Don't.
Give me all your money, woman!
Give me your money or your dragon will die.
What?
I don't know what that meant.
Next on America's Dumbest Criminals.
Look at my eye. I'm Phil, and welcome to Boring TV. There's going to be no mention of anything fun in this video. I'm going to tell you about maths. I know a lot about maths. Okay. First of all, we are going to do the 4 times table. 4, 8, 16. Okay. I can't even. I can't.
2 times table.
Okay, apparently I struggled with the 4 times table.